Next question is from Ashish Sawant, and the question is, what are the options left for an experienced employee after being laid off in current situation? He has not mentioned any particular industry. So should he try to get his job back or look for a job in another organization, or should he try to do something out of this current situation? So it's basically in the context of the current situation, and he hasn't mentioned any industry. So it's probably the general, in the general terms, he's asking this question. Over to you, Sudashina.
Hi, Ashish. I hope you're doing well and everyone in your family is safe and healthy. What a question. Actually, this question's made me nostalgic, Kaushik. I just remembered an incident in my own career where something similar had happened. So what shall one do?
Yeah.
What do we usually do when we feel we are not wanted in a place? Do we really push ourselves into that place, try and recreate a space over there? Or do we tell ourselves that, there's more that we can do? There's more than this that I can do. And I look for another place which is more welcoming of me, a place which needs me, a place which wants me, a place where I can find a space for myself to grow, to show my potential, to make an impact, to make a meaningful contribution. It may sound a little foolish, but I do believe that when one door closes, another one opens.
True.
It's sometimes that we get so bogged down by the door that is closed that it hampers our natural ability to see the other door that is opened. I know if I said this without my personal experience, it would have been like a theoretical answer. But Ashish, I can tell you that I've been there. And I can tell you with conviction that when a door closes, don't look at the door anymore. It is important that focus all the energy to look at which is the door that is open, or which is the door that can get open with a little bit of push or nudge from you. And also, that is the point to really realize that was I making contribution at the right place? One chapter has to end for a new chapter that is beginning. That's growth. And that's growth. And if I'm sitting here today and, feeling so privileged that Kaushik has called me, because I have gone through those experiences. So that's my personal opinion, that when a door closes, it's best to say thank you for all the opportunity. Thank you for the learning. Thank you for the experience. And I shall fly from here in another direction.
Okay, so what you actually said is that if I'm not wrong, you should be celebrated and not dragged. So if you feel dragged, you move on to another nest where you are celebrated. Is that what
Totally, Ashish. The thing is that, of course, there could be an element here. Actually, it's also quite layered in the sense that some people may feel that, it's an injustice to me. Why am I the one who's receiving this? So and so has not done his job properly. I did everything well. All of that happens, and a large part of them could be true also. And maybe there could also be another view to say, okay, one should not take injustice. But at that point of time, what is more important, my growth, or being in that space of who's done justice, why it has happened to me, the poor me, the victim me, oh, what did I do wrong? I'm loyal to what? My loyalty is first to my career growth, what I want to do. And this world has abundance of opportunities. It may take some time. It may take some adjustments, but that's okay.
True.
Career is not sprinting, right? It's a marathon. Who said that? Somebody with a lot of wisdom and great mind said that. It's a marathon.
Yes. Yep. So yeah, I believe Ashish, you got the answer. So if you are not wanted, then you should move on.
Just one disclaimer that my responses to the questions will be from the experiences that I've had and whatever little knowledge that I would have gathered and I would have learned through situations that I would have faced. So these are purely based on my personal response, and it doesn't reflect the views of any association, organization, or anyone else. So it's purely mine. So all the brickbats this side.
Now, those of you who have missed the interview from the beginning, you can watch the entire interview tomorrow. I will upload it tomorrow on my YouTube channel, Kaushik Majumdar, The Process Pro. Now, viewers, you know the drill. Please go ahead and hit the like and share buttons. And for regular updates, please subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. For any comments and suggestions, which are very important for us, and of course, if you have any question for the icons, you can use the comment section.